Hello everyone, I'm Amir Fáطمی and this channel is Amir Yunity. In this video I want to show you how can I write Persian text in Unity. Let's go. Okay, we know write Persian text in Unity, it's problem. Before continue the video, I want to say you I want to speak English in this video because I learn English and that's it. Okay, the first step is open the Google Chrome and write right to left text mesh pro, and the first site, click the first site and open it. Go to the release version 3.43 and download it. Wait for download complete and okay. When the completed download, just import the package to Unity. I drag and drop to asset folders. Just click the all button and import. Okay. Wait to import completely, and after we can continue the video. Okay, package is imported, and the next step is very easy. Just create in the UI section and create text right to left text mesh pro. And you see this in this font asset section. In the font asset section, we want to font. We want to font to assign to it, and we need a Persian font. For that, we download the for example, Iran Sans web font from the internet. You just search the internet and download it and import the Unity. Okay, the next step is generate a font from this file, and okay, for that we go to Windows, Text Mesh Pro, Font Asset Creator. We need to create a font asset. And in this section, character sequence hex, we need this hex character. You can go to the internet and search this, or you can go to my channel in Telegram and you can find this hex in my channel. Okay, I'm sorry, but my English I very چی میگم بهش، من کم بلدم. Okay, خب the next step, you paste these characters in this here to here, and in this section source font file, no need this, we don't need this, just you need the select font asset, and for that click the circle button and find the Iran Sans. No, I'm sorry, I'm the forget. We need the source font file, and this is optional. we don't need, because it create after generate font atlas. Okay, and you can drag and drop this font file to here and just click the generate font asset, and that's it. You can save the font asset, and again click the save button, and you can show the Renaissance web font asset. And okay, I a lot of no nothing. Okay, the next step, after that generate the font asset, you can select the text game object and drag this font asset to here, to font asset. And now you can write Persian text, for example سلام, and you can see Persian text this here. And very important, you can enable RTL editor from this checkbox, and you can edit the alignment and so on. Okay, for example, I'm write سلام چطوری, and that's it. Very easy, nice. That's it. I try to speak English in this moment to future, and I'm try to learn. Okay, if this video help you to write Persian text in the Unity, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and comment, write comment for any comment. That's it. Okay, goodbye, see you later.